Looking for a browser that actually respects your privacy? In this video, I'll walk you through installing Brave browser on Windows 11. First, open your current web browser. In the address bar, type brave.com and press enter. Once you're on the Brave homepage, you'll see a prominent download button. Click on that to download Brave for Windows. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few seconds. Now, navigate to your Downloads folder. So, double-clicking on the installer file. The installation process will now begin. Brave will automatically download the latest version and install it on your system. This usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Once installation is complete, Brave browser will launch automatically. If you want to make Brave your default browser, click Set Brave as default. Brave browser is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 PC.